Hello guys, welcome to the chapter Selling on Marketplace. In this lesson, we're going to talk about what you can sell on Marketplace. Let's get started. People nowadays opt to spend time looking for things to purchase online. They prefer it rather than spending time and travel to the shop where they can search for items to buy in person. More people are now using e-commerce shopping to find items that they are interested in buying. Online purchasing is convenient for most users. Facebook Marketplace is a great tool for brands and sellers who are looking to sell their products to their target buyers. Facebook has over 2 billion Facebook users who are browsing their accounts, and they can discover the product listings that you have uploaded on Marketplace. Sellers can showcase their product with attractive photos and fill their product description with important details that any potential buyer would ask about, making your product discoverable with keywords that could match your potential buyer searches. There are different products that people can sell on Marketplace. Facebook users can sell their pre-loved items at home. Most of the items that they are no longer using can be useful for some people. When they sell their stuff, they can convert it into cash when their listing is discovered by interested buyers. You can also sell used electronics and gadgets that are still in working condition. Most of the time, people sell it if they need to upgrade to a newer model. Potential buyers who are looking to buy pre-loved items will know that they can get a good deal compared to purchasing the same items in new condition. You can also sell furniture that you want to get rid of, and it is best to sell it locally since furnitures are bulky. Other things that you can sell on Facebook Marketplace are clothes and accessories under apparel, things you use at home under home goods, or garden and outdoor, hobbies, musical instruments, or sporting goods. Facebook Marketplace has a category section where people can browse to look for items that are recently uploaded in their area. For example, people can browse the vehicles category to look for used cars that anyone wants to sell. Once you click on a category, you will see thumbnails of vehicles that are up for sale, including their price, what type and model of the vehicle, and the location of the seller. It gives the buyers a preview of what is up for sale. In the top section, you may notice that there are more subcategories shown here. You can choose a subcategory to focus on more listings for cars. And you may notice that there are more subcategories under cars. If you're looking for a particular vehicle, like SUVs, you can keep on choosing the options provided under the shop by category. Now it shows more SUV car brands and models that you can choose from. When there are no more subcategories left, you may view the option that you have chosen here. It shows the number of sellers of this SUV, the star rating, and the basis of the total number of reviews of this listing. When you browse below, you may notice similar listings that people also looked at. If your items that are up for sale in the marketplace get more views from potential buyers, Facebook will notice it and will show it under this section. Before selling on Marketplace, make sure to read the community standards for Facebook Commerce. Take note of the prohibited and restricted content that Facebook will not allow being promoted using Marketplace. That way, your product listings will not be put to waste, since prohibited items will be disapproved by Facebook. Now that you know about what you can sell on Marketplace, we can now proceed to the next topic, the benefits of selling on Facebook Marketplace. I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.